German cars are known for luxury, performance, and world-class engineering, but that level of quality often comes with a price when it comes to maintenance. Some brands are surprisingly affordable to keep on the road, while others can cost a fortune once the warranty expires. In this video, we're ranking German car brands by maintenance cost, from the most budget-friendly to the most expensive to maintain. If you're thinking about buying a BMW, Mercedes, Audi, or Porsche, this breakdown could save you thousands in the long run. Today we will talk about German car brands ranked by maintenance cost. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. German engineering versus ownership costs. German cars have long been celebrated for their engineering excellence, precision handling, and luxurious features. Brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, and Volkswagen represent some of the most admired automobiles in the world. But admiration doesn't always translate into low ownership costs. In fact, when it comes to maintenance and repairs, German cars are often significantly more expensive than Japanese or American brands. This article ranks major German brands by their typical maintenance costs, explains why these costs tend to be high, and offers context for buyers considering German luxury and performance vehicles. 2. What maintenance cost really means. Maintenance cost isn't just about oil changes and tire rotations. It includes all routine service items, filters, brakes, fluids, plus repairs that become necessary as a car ages. Luxury vehicles, especially those with advanced electronics, adaptive suspension, and high-performance engines, tend to require specialized parts and labor. German cars are no exception. According to automotive data analyses, while warranty periods often cover early maintenance, costs tend to spike once free service and warranties expire, typically after 3 to 5 years of ownership. Over a 10-year span, some brands can accumulate thousands of dollars more in maintenance and repair costs compared to mainstream brands. 3. Porsche among the most expensive to maintain. At the top of the maintenance cost spectrum is Porsche. Known for iconic sports cars like the 911 and Cayman, Porsche vehicles combine high performance with luxury features that require precision servicing. Consumer Reports data ranks Porsche as one of the most expensive brands to maintain over a decade, with maintenance and repair costs often exceeding those of many other luxury marques. High-performance engines, advanced transmissions, and specialized braking systems contribute to higher parts and labor costs. Even routine items like brake pads or tires tend to be more expensive due to the performance-grade components required. Furthermore, many Porsche owners prefer OEM parts and dealership service, which increases the overall bill. However, Porsche's strong resale value and enthusiast demand can offset some long-term costs for owners who sell before major repairs are needed. 4. Mercedes-Benz. Luxury comfort comes with a price. Mercedes-Benz is another German luxury brand with higher-than-average maintenance costs. According to automotive cost analyses, the brand's annual maintenance and repair costs can be substantially higher than mainstream vehicles, with long-term ownership costs adding up significantly once warranty coverage ends. Mercedes vehicles are loaded with advanced technology, from air suspension and adaptive cruise control to complex infotainment systems. While these features enhance comfort and safety, they also introduce more components that can fail or require service. Parts sourced from Europe and specialized diagnostic tools add to both parts and labor costs. As a result, Mercedes owners often face higher bills for both routine and unexpected repairs. 5. BMW. Performance and complexity. Add up BMW consistently appears near the top of maintenance cost rankings for German brands. Performance-oriented engines, complex turbocharging systems, and advanced electronics all contribute to increased maintenance expenses. According to community discussions and automotive cost guides, BMW owners often report significant annual service costs, especially after the factory warranty expires. Common issues that can drive up costs include cooling system components, electronic modules, and high-pressure fuel systems. BMW's precision engineering means many components are tightly integrated, so even simple repairs can require extensive labor. While independent European specialists can offer lower labor rates than dealerships, parts remain expensive due to brand-specific sourcing. 6. Audi tech-heavy vehicles with premium parts costs. Audi combines sporty performance with luxury features, but this also means higher maintenance costs than many non-luxury brands. Audi models often feature all-wheel drive systems, quattro, advanced turbo engines, and sophisticated electronics. These technologies make for engaging driving experiences but also raise the complexity and cost of maintenance. Audi's position in cost rankings is similar to BMW and Mercedes, with parts and labor costs higher than mainstream brands. Enthusiast discussions highlight that some Audi vehicles require specialized service tools and diagnostic equipment, which increases labor costs whether at a dealer or independent shop. Owners also note that parts like timing components and suspension assemblies are pricier than average. 7. Volkswagen. Lower tier but still above average, Volkswagen sits somewhat lower on the maintenance cost scale compared to its luxury siblings, but still above many non-German brands. VW vehicles are generally less expensive to maintain than Audi, BMW, or Mercedes, but parts and service costs remain higher than Japanese or American mainstream brands. Volkswagen models like the Golf and Passat have simpler mechanical layouts than luxury vehicles, which helps keep some routine costs in check. However, turbocharged engines, DSG transmissions, and European-sourced components can still result in higher-than-average maintenance bills. Enthusiasts on community forums note that imported parts and specialized fluids can add up, especially outside warranty coverage. 8. Ranking German brands by maintenance cost. When ranking major German car brands by maintenance cost, a clear pattern emerges. Luxury and performance equals higher long-term expenses, based on industry data and ownership experiences. Porsche, among the most expensive to maintain due to performance parts and tech. Mercedes-Benz, high-tech and luxury systems increase costs. BMW, performance engineering and complexity raise service bills. Audi, advanced systems and quattro drivetrain add expense. Volkswagen, lower than luxury brands but still above mainstream. German cars are more expensive to maintain than many other brands, especially Japanese and some American brands, largely due to specialized parts, advanced engineering, and higher labor rates for European-specific service. If you're considering a German car, it's crucial to factor maintenance into your total ownership cost. Extended warranties, independent European specialists, and aftermarket parts can help mitigate expenses, but the premium experience of German vehicles often comes with a premium price tag, not just at purchase but throughout ownership. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.